What's up, you guys? It's your girl Tamara GI, and today we are working with Ft.Remyforte hair. I'm just showing you guys everything that came inside, and today we're working with their full lace wig. This is in 26 inches, and the parting space is very full. It's so much parting space all around. It's basically like a 360 type unit because you can do like ponytails and stuff, but if you are a girly that really likes to do like intricate hairstyles like the hairstyle I am achieving today, this is the perfect unit for you because the parting space is just bomb and the lace really blends. So what I wanted to do is just cut the lace before starting to lay down with the glue, and I feel like that helps with the melting process. So I went ahead and cut that lace off first before I added my glue. And today I am working with the Erica J glue just to, get it going really good. Lately I have been doing a lot of spray adhesives, but when I am doing like really real intricate hairstyles and I do want to keep it for like a few days, I'll go ahead and add that lace glue on there. And the Erica J glue is the glue that works the best for me, and I love using it when I am working out too because I don't have to worry about using a melt band and stuff. I really don't have to, but I'm just going on and adding a few layers on, and I'm actually not blow drying it. I did let it air dry for a little bit. So now that we have everything laid down, we're going to go ahead and spray our holding spray around before we add our melt band, but it's already looking really good and I'm loving the way this unit is looking. The hair is so full. I really love it. But we're going to go ahead and add that melt band down and then go ahead and start to styling. I did go ahead on and put my makeup and stuff on, what I wanted on, because I wanted to, have my makeup and stuff done to take pictures after I did the style. I didn't want to have to do my makeup after. But this style that I did, I really wanted to try something really fun and cute because I haven't really did anything like this in a while. So I was like, you know what, I want to do like a really cute fun style. So I was looking on Pinterest and stuff, and normally when I'm looking on Pinterest, I find like some styles and I kind of like combine two styles together or like do a style that I really like, and this style really stood out to me. And the last time I did a style with like a split bang in the front, it was so cute, so I did want to incorporate that. But first what I did is start getting the bang together and getting that part together so that when I do come back to the bang last, the part will already be in there, and if I do have to part it some, it will only have to be like a little bit and it won't be a lot. I like to like do things that I know it's gonna take me a lot of time first so that when I do go back to it, I'm not taking all day to do it. And then like I was saying before about this parting space, this unit has so much parting space on it. You guys can see as I am parting to get the parts out for this hairstyle, like it's giving this is just the hair on my head and I'm just styling it. Like the parting space on this unit is just so bomb. I love a unit that has a lot of parting space because it gives me free reign to do a lot of different hairstyles. When you do have limited lace, you are limited to like certain hairstyles you can do if you do want to do like certain hairstyles like this, or hairstyles that involve a lot more parting space. You do have to finesse it sometimes when you don't have a lot to work with, but Remyforte will give you all the parting space that you need with this full lace unit. But I'm just parting both sides first before I start doing the buns, before I start doing like the little parts, because I wanted to have the top parted out first. And like I said before, I like to do things beforehand so that it will be easier for me. So when you are doing a hairstyle that involves like a lot of steps, just make sure you get the main stuff out the way, so when you do go back to it, it's a lot easier. So I just went ahead and parted out like the little ponytail at the top where the buns are going to be, took out all that hair, and then I am going to start the baby hairs first and then go back and do the buns. And then for these baby hairs, I didn't want to do nothing too crazy. I just did a little bit on the side, and I am just showing you guys this one side because my camera did kind of die after me doing the other side. So I'm showing you guys exactly what I did. I just take my tweezer and pluck the hair some so it won't be too thick. I trim it a little bit, curl it with my little skinny curler, and then go ahead and swoop them. And those are the baby hairs. Like, these are super duper easy. It wasn't nothing too much. It was supposed to be like very subtle, nothing too much, just so it can have like a little pizzazz to it with the ponytail, just to add a little touch, something really cute. Not no baby hairs that are like so super duper dramatic. But now that we got our baby hairs together, I am going back to the top of my head, the hair that I did take out for like the ponytail section at the top, and I am starting to do the parts for the little buns. I did take not a rubber band, but like a regular elastic band for the ponytails. I did 4 little buns, which will mean you will have to do 4 little ponytails at the top. I didn't use any gel or anything for molding it. I just went ahead and sprayed some holding spray, because when you are working with units, you don't have to kind of treat it as like it's your real hair. I did used to do that a lot in the past with my styles, like use gel to mold it, and like this is like really silky type hair, so hairspray will work just fine. You don't have to waste product and use any gels or anything to get these ponytails intact, because the holding spray will have them intact. But I'm just moving from side to side. What I did was I did the one ponytail on the opposite side, and then I did the other ponytail on the opposite side, and then did the ones in the middle first. I just feel like that helped a lot more, and it helped me like center them exactly how I wanted them. And also, you guys, do not mind my little camera lens on the end. I did have my secondary camera I was filming my TikToks with, and it was kind of in a way, and I was just like, dang, like it's too late now. But when you are doing these styles, y'all, don't get discouraged if you do have to go back and redo some. There's been plenty of times where I had to redo ponytails, redo little buns and stuff, because it just wasn't coming out right. But the good thing about it is you can perfect it, and you can keep going. You can keep trying it again until you get it exactly how you want it. So now our 4 little ponytails are done, and we're gonna go ahead and start these little buns. What I did was I kind of teased the hair a little bit, but I feel like you really did not have to do this. Teasing the hair was very unnecessary. I was just doing it like making it seem like it helped, and it really kind of didn't. Like, I'm not sure if it even helped or not, but the twisting is what you need to do. You need to twist the hair until it's like forming, and then start wrapping it around, and then you just keep wrapping it so you can't wrap no more, and add a rubber band around it. And I just wrapped the rubber band around twice. You don't have to make it all super extra tight. Just make sure when you are wrapping the hair around, you do wrap it around towards the bottom as much as you can so it will not unravel once you put that rubber band on there. So now that our little buns are done, I'm going back to this bang, and this is the last thing we have to do before we straighten the hair. I did cut the bangs a little bit. I think I didn't show me cutting it on this side, but I did show me cutting it on the other side. I just cut it to, you know, trimmed it down a little bit because it was very long, because this hair is 26 inches through and through. It's not 26 inches in the front and not 26 inches in the back. It's not long in the back and short in the front. It's all 26 inches. So I just cut it a little bit, and I added those little flat clips. I've been seeing so many people using these flat clips, and I'm like, why are these people just having clips in their hair? But the clips are actually really cute. So I was like, let me find out for myself what these clips are talking about. So I found some at the beauty spot store, and I grabbed some pink ones and I grabbed some black ones, and I put these clips in there, and I was like, hold on, these clips are kind of eating down. Like, it was really cute for pictures. Now, would I go out with these clips on? No. But to take pictures in, the clips were actually super duper cute, and I actually really loved them. So now that I got the front bangs together, I'm just going ahead and straightening the hair. I took some Chi little heat protector, and then I went ahead with some Bio Silk and put that all through the hair and brushed it through, and went ahead and start straightening the hair with my Baby Bliss straightener. Just straightening everything and getting it looking really cute. This is the last step of this hairstyle, and like I was saying before, working smarter with your hairstyles, you want to make sure that you get all the hard stuff out the way first, so that when you are done, you just have to do all the easy stuff. Like, I went ahead, sectioned out everything first, did my little buns. I already had my bang parted, so the only thing I had to do was just like straighten it a little bit more and cut it to my liking. And now I'm going ahead and straightening the hair in the back, which is the easiest part, which is why I saved it for last. but this is the final result of the hair. This hair is very silky, really cute. The density on this hair I feel like is perfect. It's not too much, but it's still very thick after you wash it, which is perfect and perfect for the summertime if you still do want long hair for the summer. But this is so cute, y'all. I love the way this hairstyle came out. If you guys want all the information for this unit, make sure you guys click the links down below and shop Ft.Remyforte hair. All their information will be down below. But I just took the clips out just so you guys can see how it looks without the clips and with the clips. But I really love this hairstyle, and I do want to do some more hairstyles that are more intricate like this because I really loved it. But if you guys enjoyed this hairstyle, make sure you guys comment down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel, and we'll be back with more videos soon. Stay blessed. GI babies, we out.